How to change baggage allowance AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the baggage allowance AirAsia. First, navigate to your AirPass website on your browser. Now click on the Sign In option shown at the top right corner. Next, provide your email address in the given box. Here, you can scroll down to visit the website. After that, click Help shown at the top to get the solution for a problem. Scroll down and then select the baggage option in this section. To do this, enter the required information to search for bookings, including your email address and AirPass code. In this way, you'll be able to add baggage to the AirAsia app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.